page is a frame page. How many frames are available is 1, 2, 3. So what is a frame type? How I know the frame type is file, new, here, pages. In the pages you can find frame pages here. This is what type actually. This is, you can see here, this is completely available. This is my fam, this is banner and content. There is a confusion will come, student, banner and content and nested hierarchy. You see here, nested hierarchy is like this. It is completely available. Can you see? It is completely available here. Index is see, it is extended, but nested hierarchy it is completely available. This is a difference. So can you see here, again I will explain you, pages in the frame, it is completely available, but banner here you see it is extended up to this frame, it is covering this page also, but nested hierarchy it is not like this, it is up to this one, this is how only this width. So you have content. So this is a way we can understand what is a different given frame type. Given frame type is, this is banner and content. So what is this name of the frame? Question number 1. What is the name of the frame? You can see it. How I know the frame of name frame is nothing but right click here, this frame, I will go here. I want to right click this particular frame because 3 frames are available. So I want to right click this frame. What is the name given for this frame? Then frame properties. Always we should go to where? Frame properties. Here you see frame properties. You can see banner. Banner is the name of the frame. What file is placed or linked in this page is nothing but in the frame is title.html. Are you getting? So this is a file is available. The same way, what is the name of this frame? Right click, frame properties. The name of the frame is content. The file is linked or placed or displayed in this frame is links.html. Clear? The same manner here, this frame name is nothing but, this frame name is main. The file or web page, whatever is hyperlinked or located or displayed in this particular frame is called college.html. Any language, whatever it may be, this is a information. So this way you can find. For example, you can see, suppose I am running the file, I am executing this particular frame page. You can find what is the target frame. Second question, what is the target frame? Suppose I click this button. See here, I click this button. So where it is appearing? Whenever I click here, it is appearing in another frame. So it is appearing in the main frame. Can you see? Whenever this is my left frame, this is my what frame? This is my frame name is main frame. It is available. So whatever I click, suppose they ask, whenever you click the button, where the page is appearing? The page is appearing in the main frames. This is a one method we can understand the frame. So what are the things we learned here is nothing but what is a frame type, frame template type, banner or content or nested hierarchy, we know that. And what is a different frame names? We can find the frame name. For example, same, if you go here, you can find the name is different, frame properties. You can see what is this frame name? Or top. In nested hierarchy it is called or top. This is called what? What is the name? Left. This is called left. Here you can see here you can find this frame name is nothing but this frame property. This frame name is or bottom. This frame name is called or bottom. Clear or not? This way you can see different name. Not everywhere. All the frames is not frame template is not same name. Clear or not? This way you can find the different frame name. So we know what is a frame template. We know what is a frame property. What is the name of the frame. We can know that in the frame property we can find what is the file is displaying in this particular frame. That also we know that. So this is a way we can identify the frame properties.